Awesome. Day 2 of the 5-day breathwork course. Today we're going to look at what's called the 3-part yogic breath. So when you're ready, grab a chair and let's get to it. Awesome. Yesterday we went over 2 fundamental steps into having a better breathing technique. 1, nasal breathing, in and out through the nose. And 2, we're just trying to breathe in and out through the tummy. Although we know we're not really breathing in and out through the tummy, we're just trying to access the lower lobes of the lungs. Now, day 2, we're going to try to access the entire torso for what's called a full yogic breath, or what's called a 3-part yogic breath. Now, what I'd like you to do is imagine if you were looking at a human torso. Imagine superimposing a pear shape onto the human torso. So, a pear is larger at the bottom, and then it gets narrower as it works its way up toward the top. So the yogic breath is the same. It's real full at the bottom, and it starts to narrow as it works its way up toward the top. So here's what we try. Just take a normal inhale through your nose, normal exhale through your nose. And now as you inhale, try to fill your tummy first, then expand your rib cage, then top off at your collarbone, and then reverse collarbone, rib cage, tummy, and repeat tummy, rib cage, collarbone, and then reverse collarbone, chest, and tummy. One more time. Tummy, rib cage, top it off at the collarbone, and then exhale. Collarbone first, then the rib cage, then the tummy. Good. And just breathe normally. Breathe normally in and out through your nose, and try to breathe normally in and out through your tummy. Once we start to get the mechanisms of the full yogic breathing, it becomes more like a wave. That's the best way I can describe it. It's wave-like. It fills and it empties, just like the ebb and flow of an ocean. Don't worry too much about getting it right or doing it wrong. For now, just see if you can focus on the majority of the breath beginning in the tummy, a little more breath in the rib cage, and then top it off at the collarbones and go backwards. Start at the collarbones, empty the rib cage, empty the tummy. So today's homework is focus on full yogic breathing. Again, in and out through the nose, and try to stay calm. The whole point is, you don't want to be so aggravated that you're not getting it right and it's driving you crazy. That's the antithesis of what we're trying to do. Just stay calm, fill your tummy, expand your ribs, lift the collarbone, and reverse. Let me know how it goes for you. Let me hear from you in the comments. Let me know if the mood changes, if you're able to breathe deeper, or if your breath is about the same. Because tomorrow we're going to look at a way to help focus a little bit more on the rhythm of the breath. And that will help. I think it will help a lot as we start to develop the technique of the full yogic breathing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Tune in tomorrow.